Solo trip in Paris, a hotel Liquorlands is absolutely luxurious. This is my highlights I will share with you. It is a stunning hotel in the heart of Paris. Morning, my butler just bring the table of breakfast for me. There are eggs, smoked salmon, consistent sausage, jam, fresh juice, yogurt and berries, and a pot of a coffee. Tea is also an option. Fine, my dinner last night in a hotel. Same room, but it's a restaurant at night. Was very sad and pricey. Back in the room, let's check out the bathroom. My favorite highlights of the stain actually. Told rice from Bali. The package design is a very French. And the cute feet of the bathroom, the marble tube, and a shower fresh with metal first. Marie door is with metal free. There one place I need to check out before leaving the hotel. Now for its opulent decor and top-notch service. Which way should I go? From the elegant room to the Michelin starting dining, every details. It's so beautiful and calming. Exudes luxury and sophistication. It enjoys experience of the grandeurs of Paris. Leaving the hotel. Hotel de Guerlain is truly a dreamy destination with its rich history. Waiting for my taxi at the gate. Oh, Paris is a city of love, flights, and endless of adventures. There are no schedules for today. I just walk around and see if there are any excitement things. Church of Saint Germain de Paris. From the Eiffel Tower to the Louvre, there's so much to explore. Passage. There are many passages in Paris. There are passage to Grand Turf. Consists of design, furniture stores, galleries, and designer stores. I can already imagine the beautiful sight and delicious food you will be sharing with us upon yacht. Paris has magnificent lakes, reus, charmants, and delicious causes and atmosphere. You are the must have seen this somewhere.